day. I actually dropped off the kids this morning. It's around 1:32, so it's almost time to go pick them again. I left baby Renee here. Can you imagine? A lot of stuff is going on this week. I'm supposed to be at our MBA conference, but for some reason I could not make it. Yeah, so yeah, I could not make it. So I didn't go for the conference, but kind of sad because a lot of my friends are there. They've been calling me, babe, are you not here? Are you not here? I didn't go. I went the one for the last time I went for MBA conference. The last time I went for MBA conference was in 2017 or 2018. No, 2017. So that was the last time I went for MBA conference in Lagos. And ever since then I've not gone. But yeah, I wanted to really go this time because I also went after that when they did in Port Harcourt too. No, I haven't gone. That was the last time, don't mind me. The one I was thinking I went for was the Port Harcourt conference, not the MBA conference. The Port Harcourt MBA conference, like each state have their branch, the conference they do for their branch, and they have this one that is like national. But that's fine. Like I can't kill myself. At this point, anything I can do, I do it. Whatever I cannot do, I cannot kill myself. So this is a package I received this morning from DHL. I know that I'm expecting something from Instagram. I think that is it. I'm also expecting some other things I ordered from AliExpress that I don't want to disclose to you guys see it. But I think this should be my package from Instagram. Came like this. So, which is, I think, yeah, it's from where my shade is actually glasses. So I've actually been, yeah, it's actually from Instagram. I bought it from a vendor on Instagram because I know that I use the internet a lot. Like I use my computer a lot. You can drop it there. Oh, here, please. Thank you. Because I know I use my phone a lot. I think it's high time I get glasses so I don't ruin my eyes. So I said to get these blue light glasses. I don't even know if it look as beautiful as I saw it on Instagram, but if it's not, I saw something similar on Amazon. I wanted to order, but for some reason I did not order. It is looking so small, but let me see if it's going to work. Let me see if it will work. It's actually okay, but it's just too tight here. But it doesn't look bad, right? So if I'm with my computer, I should have this on so I don't like use my eyes to stare at my computer a lot, the screen of my computer. So you guys can see this blue stuff, right? It's supposed to protect your eyes. I got it for, how much did I get this for? 5,000, right? 5,500, something like that. I got it for 5,500. I didn't tell you guys that the painters are here. I told you guys earlier, right? Yeah, the painters are here. They're painting, and they are starting from my kids' room because I want them to work on Ryan and Isabel's room. Then they'll move over to my room. But this whole place is going to be fixed in a minute. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, it's so hot. Oh, this Port Harcourt weather. This morning it was raining. Now it's very hot. When I was going to pick my kids, it was about 90 something degrees. So I ordered something from Beauty Supplies PH. This is the packaging. I've been looking for like a good store to order my skincare stuff because guys, my skin has been suffering. I feel like I haven't taken so much time to care for my skin. I'm very grateful that I have good skin. Like I don't have all these acne problems and all those blemishes and everything. But I think I shouldn't take that for granted. It's not enough for me not to care for my skin. So I've decided to start my skincare routine again. You guys know I have a video on this channel I did sometime last year on my skincare routine. So I want to start again, and I'm trying new products. Not everything is not new. Like I still have some of my old products that I will use, but I just got some things from her. Eva Natural Skin Clearing Serum Vitamin C. I actually got this from her as well. I'll be including this as part of my skincare routine. I also add a little bit of this to my body cream too. I use the Clinique body moisturizer or body butter. I'll include this as well in my body lotion. And I didn't show you earlier, the moisturizer I got for my face is the CeraVe. I see it here. This is how it is, and it's the facial moisturizer. It's actually the AM one. That's the one for morning, but I'll use it for morning. I might, if possible. Yeah, so I got that. Let me check what else she included in this box. I didn't know this thing was this small. I was expecting a very long bottle. Oh, she gave me cookies and some sweets and some facial soft tissue and wipes. No wipes though, facial soft tissue. Very nice, very thoughtful of her. Oh, more sweets, lots of sweets, coffee sweets. Oh, thank you so much. So, yep, that's it. That's it for now.
Alright, this is a song that I wrote about falling too fast, but I wouldn't know anything about that.
I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I'm on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns.
Hey, Auntie. Hey guys. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, and I'm here in my son's room. So you guys, these rooms I just showed you. The first one, the one that has a combination of purple or lilac and pink, that is my daughter's room. Then this one that has a combination. Anyway, yellow and what's this color called? Lemon. Is actually my son's room. So guys, we built this house over 7 years ago. So this house is due for some renovation. So I decided, since I'm going to paint my room or change my room, the painting and everything, I should as well just touch up on this kids room, because as you can see from the video, they've used pen to, let me just show you guys. As you can see, they've written on the wall. You see all these cracks, all this pen, and all this stuff. So they need to really see. You could see Isabel and Ryan's handwriting everywhere. They're just making a mess. This is the bathroom, by the way, and this is for Ryan's room. And Isabel's room is even the worst. Let me show you Isabel's room. So this is Isabel's room. You could see all these things they've written, and this tea, I don't know how they were able to even do this. See, I don't know how they were even able to do that. So that is the reason I'm painting the two rooms, including my room. I might even paint this, my entrance way. It's actually very beautiful like this though, but I might change the color maybe to jasmine white or something. So my taste has actually changed as the year progresses, so I won't still go with these same colors anymore. Moreover, I want something different. I want to change. Hence, I'm painting the rooms. Since I'm painting my room, I should as well just include this and probably this one as well. Hopefully, if they're able to finish early, I'll just tell them to include that. If not, then they're going to do that some other time. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the stuff they are working on. So probably once they are done, I'm going to show you the after.
My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them? I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I'm on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last.
Hey you guys, how are you guys doing? Good morning. Today is Friday and I'm dressed. I'm actually going for a function in my kids' school. I think we're supposed to come and meet with the teachers and just see the classroom and what the kids are up to. So that's what I'm going for now. You guys can see that the room is coming together. Before, what was there was, you guys already saw that it was yellow. It was beautiful, the painting was beautiful and everything. When it lasted, it was fine, but I think I want a change. I want my kids' room to have change. My daughter's room has a little bit pink tint, so it's just a little bit, My son's room, I did it gray, just a little gray. Other than that, I don't think there's anything much. I was just I've not filmed for 2 days. I've been very busy this morning. I hope you guys are doing great. I miss filming. Life has just been up and down. Today I was supposed to upload a video. Today is Friday. For like 2 weeks straight I've been uploading videos on Sunday, which is not bad. Sunday is not so bad for uploading content, but today was supposed to be my upload day, and I can't still meet up today because see, I'm already going for an engagement, and yesterday was very busy as well. But other than that, today has been great. God has been faithful. My week has been great. Renee is getting better and I'm so excited. Renee is a very lively girl. She's someone who is full of life, very playful. So when she started getting sick, I was acting cool and dull and calm. I was worried. I wasn't happy because I know how very cheerful she is. So now she's better. This morning she woke up stronger than yesterday, and I'm a little better. I'm a little excited. If there's any update, I'll let you guys know. Hopefully I come back early and do some editing because I know tomorrow I'll be busy and I still have to put up a video on Sunday. So I need to come back and edit today because tomorrow is another busy day for me. This week, in fact, this past 3 weeks have been crazy. You guys will notice it because God has been faithful. I have content ahead. I've planned, like I have content that I've filmed, vlogs that I've filmed ahead. So you guys will not notice how busy or that I'm missing schedules or anything because I film like 2 or 3 contents ahead. So, but the 3 weeks have been very busy. In fact, the whole of this week, I don't think. Yeah, I hope to talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much, and yeah. Bye.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me?
Hey guys, good morning. How is your day going? Today is Wednesday and these dogs, they won't just let me talk. I'm actually going for and Debere and some other women came together and were giving out bags and some other stuff to the needy, to like kids who need this in school. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm actually just dressed. I want to go pick a berry up and we'll go together to distribute those bags and school stuff for kids. So yeah, I think it's a very good development. It's something that should be applauded and women should do more of. So it's just my own little way of showing support. It's actually going there as well. So that's what I'm doing now. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. It's really hot here and I don't have gas. My fuel is showing just 2 bars, so I don't want to put on the AC until I get fuel. So what I'll do now, I'm waiting for my glasses to come. I told my girl to go get my glass and gloss. So let me keep you guys here while I talk. Sure. Gloss. Oh, why the right gloss here? This one is matte. Don't worry, I go manage it like this. Glasses. Glasses. So this is me here trying to clean my glass. This is the only place I could keep you guys because this car is just, it's not smooth. Like everywhere is just design, too much design. So let me wear my glass. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. So this is me here now with my glasses. I think it looks more better. Me driving with one hand. It's just for now, since I'm still in my compound. I'll still concentrate, okay? Once they open the gates and I move out of my compound, I promise to concentrate because I know it's not safe. I've been driving. Okay, hi, morning. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later, okay? So guys, I'm just here waiting for a berry, but I figured I should just come here and talk to you guys a little bit. So while I was getting gas, what happened was I usually, before now, like when I want to buy gas, I don't even let the people know that I'm looking at the meter. I just relax and, let them fill my tank for me. And I realized that sometimes when I finish buying, it doesn't correspond with my own meter here. So one thing I did was I started to just be very vigilant and watch what they were doing. And guys, I realized that these people were cheating me. No. I realized that these people were cheating me. They will pretend that they. Thank you, thank you. They will pretend that they put the gas, like it will get to, like, for instance, if you want to buy 4,000 naira fuel now or gas, they will pretend that it has actually gotten to that amount. Like you're going to buy 4,000, they'll put 4,000 naira on the meter and it will start reading. And once it gets to 3,002 or 3,001 or 3,000 naira, automatically, if you're not looking, it's going to just trip off and change to 4,000 naira immediately. So I noticed that before, and I told the guy, like, this thing, because I was watching. I said this thing did not even get to 3.5. It just stopped at 3.2 or 3 something. And he said, oh really? I think it's a mistake. Let me check. Then he checked. He said, oh sorry, I wasn't even checking. That was before. Then, because since I realized that they are like that now, especially Owando filling station, guys. And if I don't know about any other filling station, but I know Owando for sure, because there are like plenty meters there. And I said, okay, let me and if you see, whenever you come, they're running to take you. They're running to make sure you come to their stand. I don't know if because they make extra money. You know, imagine making like 500 or even 1,000 from each customer every day. You understand? Not every day. Like, who knows the number of cars they sell to per day? They're making a lot of money daily plus their salary. It's really annoying. See a very. Anyway, I just wanted to hint you guys. So you guys are a lot. That's a very over there. You guys see her.
Hi, Stella.
She's actually vlogging. This is vlog.
Yeah, I am.
Vlog inside another vlog. Hey guys.
Hi.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how?
Hey guys, we are done here, and it was a success. I really thank God that we were able to touch one or two kids. At least we put joy in their mouth. They're happy. And as I said, if you guys want to join, like if you want to support, it's fine. You can just maybe send me a DM on Instagram. I think it's going to be nice if we make this a big thing, okay? I think it's just nice that we come out and help these kids in a little way. It can just be even your school bags that your kids are no longer using. It can be something as little as whatever your kids no longer use. Instead of putting it in the trash, you can make it look presentable and you give it to these kids, because some of them don't even have, I'm telling you, some of them came with bathroom slippers to school. Some of them don't even have bags. They use nylon bag to put their books. You know, there's a little, you think what you're doing, you think is a little, but I think it's very good. So yeah, we're done here and we're heading out. We have another place we're going to today. We're done, right? Today. No, I don't want to drink. You want me to help you hold it? I can help you. So yeah, Iberia said we're done, so we're going home. Hopefully we're going to do this soon. Okay, all right.
Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city.